Are you wondering about what is home equity line of credit? I mean HELOC? In this video, I will share what is HELOC and what are the advantages of using HELOC and what are the concerns or you should be considered about before using HELOC. Hi, this is Mamta Sahota. I'm a realtor and I am an investor as well. I am your guide in the process of multiplying your real estate portfolio. Before we move forward, just a disclaimer that use this information just as a starting point, but always work with a professional, I mean a mortgage consultant or a broker when you think about using your HELOC. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you can stay tuned with updates. Before I explain what is home equity line of credit, let's understand what is home equity. In simple terms, the home equity is the difference between the value of your house and the outstanding mortgage amount you owe. For example, the value of your house is $500,000 and your mortgage balance is $100,000, which means the difference of $500,000 minus $100,000 is $400,000 is your home equity. You can take a loan against your home equity, which is called home equity line of credit. So HELOC is a separate loan than mortgage. Depend on lender to lender, I mean banks, they can allow up to 80%, which a total loan of mortgage plus HELOC. So this HELOC, this home equity line of credit, can be used for any purpose. You can either buy your investment property, which most of my investor clients they do it, or you can either sponsor a trip, or you can buy a car, or fund your kids' education. Now let's talk about what are the advantages of using HELOC. Number one, HELOC is the cheapest loan in Canada after mortgages. In HELOC, you can access your cash anytime, so it always stays in your account and you can only pay interest on the amount which you take out from it. Once you qualify for HELOC, you can use it anytime. So interest will be only charged when you take it out and you use it. It's just like using a credit card. The beauty about using home equity line of credit is that you only pay interest on this loan and you can return this loan anytime. If you're planning to use HELOC for any purpose, you need to consider few points. Number one, that you should know if you have a habit of saving, because even though it's the cheapest loan, but you are still paying interest every month on it. The second most important point to consider is that when you're planning to use your HELOC, you should have a complete plan in place. Why are you using the HELOC and what is your plan to repay this loan? HELOC is a very good tool for investors to multiply their properties. But I strongly recommend to work with professionals in any of these areas. You should have a realtor, a mortgage broker, and a lawyer, always working as a team to help you to build your portfolio. If this information is helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. For hot investment projects, you can always rely on my website, which is getmecondo.com.